Discover the hidden world of revolutionary machines and technologies. Let's journey deep into this hidden world of revolutionary machines and technologies. From cutting-edge aeronautics to world-altering biotechnology, these groundbreaking inventions are transforming the way we live. JOHN DEERE 944K, guaranteed of a thorough investigation of the groundbreaking JOHN DEERE 944K, showcasing the versatility of the 944K in diverse construction and mining scenarios through captivating project case studies. Shows the 944K in action, working hard and quickly loading and dumping materials, discussing potential advancements in the JOHN DEERE 944K and the industry as a whole. The 944K is designed for maximum productivity and efficiency. It's strong and reliable, so your jobs get done faster and easier. Shows the 944K being put through a variety of loading and movement tasks with ease. Aero Snow Melter. Strong engineering standards are used in the construction of the Aero Snow Melter to ensure that it can withstand the worst circumstances. Up to 9,600 pounds of snow per hour may be promptly melted by the strong electric motor's heat production. Additionally, it is lightweight enough for you to transport it around your home with ease. With the Aero Snow Melter, you can kiss goodbye to the hassle of snow shoveling and snow clearing. Get it done faster and easier with the Aero Snow Melter. You can rest easy knowing that your property is free from snow and ice. JOHN DEERE 1050K Dozer. Introducing the JOHN Deere 1050K Dozer, providing power and precision for construction and earth-moving projects. The 1050K offers superior comfort and control through an ergonomic design, including a full suspension seat with adjustable armrests. The dozer moving large rocks and debris from one location to another. The 1050K's patented gearing system and torque converter provides smooth and efficient power transfer for projects large and small, with superior grade and slope control. Naren laser cleaning. A montage of various metal surfaces being cleaned with the laser cleaner. In addition to being an ideal tool for cleaning metal surfaces, our laser cleaner can be used to remove rust from engines and machinery, as well as sealing cracks and holes in metal. There is no damage to the surface being cleaned. For those looking for a safe, efficient, and easy way to clean metal surfaces, choose NARN's laser cleaner with 2000 W of power. VTN attachments, tree shear. A forestry worker is standing next to his large machine, looking proud. Are you looking for the perfect tool to help you take care of your trees and forestry work? Look no further than the VTN tree shear, the perfect attachment for forestry professionals. The VTN tree shear is the perfect combination of power and efficiency. Thanks to its robust body and highly durable blades, it can tackle even the most challenging trees with ease. Try it out today and start seeing results. Get the perfect tool for your next forestry job and experience the power of VTN tree shears. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating voyage of discovery, and may you be inspired to become pioneers in the remarkable journey that lies ahead. Stay curious, stay innovative, and let us embark on a future where the impossible becomes reality. Hasta la vista.